Hi everyone, this is Sumanth. So, how you can just learn machine learning for free? So, I just created many videos on what is AI, what is data science, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, and also I just created a video on what's the difference between all those things. But I haven't created a video on the courses or let's say the resources where you can just learn these things for free. So, in this video, let's discuss what are all the best courses available in online. Just watch the video till the end so that you will just able to understand, and also you can just find the resources where you can just learn it for free. So before going to the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and as well as like this video. So let's start this video. The first course is the MIT Introduction to Machine Learning course. So we all know MIT, right? It's a prestigious university. So you can see the course is provided by them, and the lectures also taught by the professors of that university. So you can see all the topic which they are just covering is, so you can see they are just explaining the basics of ML. So you can see the introduction to ML course. So everything that you just required while you just taking a course, right? When you're just taking a course, you should be able to take notes, and as well as you should able to do some exercises. You should able to do some hands-on, right? So they're just covering everything. So you can see this is the notes. So you can just download the notes in PDF format as well. So that will be very useful for even when you're just revising the concepts. And you can see the lectures also. You can see the lectures also. It's taught by the professors of that university. So yeah, it will be. I've just seen the course. I've just seen some of the lectures. They're just explaining how you can just use that particular algorithm in real world. So it's not about only learning the theory. It's about applying that to the practical thing as well. So you can just learn everything here. And you can see the concepts which are just discussing, like the introduction to ML. So they just talk about what are the types of machine learning, like we just have supervised, unsupervised, right? So they'll just discuss all those things. And you can see after completion of every week, they used to have exercises and as well as homework to do, so that you will just get a better understanding of the concepts which you just learned in the concept which you just studied. So that's the course. You can see they're just explaining. We just have the perceptrons, right? The basic unit of neural network, and the different type of feature representation, regression. So regression is a separate supervised learning technique. So they're just explaining about regression and neural networks. So like neural networks in the sense artificial neural networks, and you can see the convolution neural networks where we used to deal with images and video kind of data, and as well as you can see a Markov decision process as well, and also we used to have the reinforcement learning. So you can see everything just explained, like recurrent neural networks, and as well as you can see recommender systems, as well as the decision trees and k nearest and as well as nearest neighbors, right? The k nearest neighbors. So they just covering all the basics of ML, right? You can just take this course. Next course is when it's from Coursera. You can see the machine learning, the course offered by Stanford, and the instructor is Andrew Ng. So you can see all the topics they're just covering, like it's just the introduction to ML, introduction to machine learning, and as well as the linear regression, and as well as not only linear regression with one variable, with multiple variables. And we can see he's just explaining with Octave. Octave is a kind of software, and it's better to understand machine learning algorithms using this Octave. So we can just able to understand the exact maths. So we can just able to better understand the maths behind a particular algorithm using this Octave. So it won't be useful to create an real world applications. So if you want to build the real world applications, we used to use Python. But if you just want to understand a particular algorithm, it's good to go with Octave. So you can see he's just explaining that the kind of maths behind a particular algorithm using this Octave software. And you can see logistic regression, like the classification algorithm, and as well as the regularization, so which is an important topic that you should able to know while working with models, and as well as neural networks, right? So it's a basic introduction for neural networks, and as well as you can see neural networks learning, like how the neural networks will learn, right? Using the back propagation algorithm. So complete max behind the DAG propagation algorithm, and as well as advice for applying machine learning, and as well as the system design, like the how can you just better improve the existing algorithm. So all these techniques you can just learn here, and as well as like the support vector machines and the unsupervised learning, like the clustering you can just able to learn, and the dimensionality reduction, which is a very important and as well as complex topic in machine learning. So you can just able to learn that anomaly detection, recommender system, right? And as well as the large scale machine learning, and as well as the application example of like the OCR, optical character recognition. It's an application of this, right? So if you are complete beginner, if you're just starting with ML, so you can just go with this course. And again, I'm not including the statistics as well as the other courses here. I will just create another video for that. But you can, if you want to go with machine learning, so definitely it's good to go with this course. And you can see I just forgot to specify that you can able to learn the linear algebra as well, which is very important while understanding the existing algorithms. So you can able to learn that as well. So that's about this course. So that's the two courses. And when it comes to third course, this course is about a deep learning specialization. So it's a complete package of deep learning. So in previous case, you have seen in the previous course, we just seen about some basic algorithms like the SVM, KNN, or let's say linear, logistic, this kind of like the clustering algorithms like unsupervised learning. But so in this deep learning specialization, you will more focus on deep learning part like the artificial neural networks, convolution neural networks, like the recurrent neural networks. So all these topics will be included in this course. And you can see even the course instructor is also Andrew NG. So you can just take this course as well, right? If you don't know what is deep learning, if you just want to start and if you just want to grow, this is one of the best course. And you can see first one is neural networks and deep learning, where they used to discuss about the artificial neural networks. And the second course is improving deep neural networks like the hyperparameter tuning, regularization, optimization, right? We used to use batch gradient descent, mini batch, or let's say Adam, RMS prop, these kind of optimization techniques they should teach. And as well as the structuring machine learning projects, how you can just apply machine learning in real world, right? What kind of examples? So they just explained with some real world examples. So they just taken the real examples and they just explain. And you can see the fourth course is about convolutional neural networks, which will discuss more about this dealing with images, recognition, etc., like the images and the videos. And you can see the sequence models where we should deal with text and audio. So these are the 5 courses which is available in this deep learning specialization. The best thing about this is you can able to implement every algorithm from scratch. For example, let's say artificial neural network. It's not that you're just downloading some algorithm and using that. You can able to, in these assignments in this course, the assignments in this course, you can able to implement it from scratch. Like you can just use the NumPy package to do the multiplications, to do the matrix multiplication, to do the back propagation, to update the parameters. So everything you can just do it you can just do it on your own, right? So that's about this course. So these are the 3 courses which will be useful to if you're just starting in machine learning, or let's say if you just want to learn deep learning. These are the 3 best courses you can just take. And this is about the 3 courses where you can just learn machine learning and deep learning. I will just create a video on the statistics also, like where you can just learn statistics, as well as the linear algebra, as well as the data science, right? The complete package. So this is just about machine learning. I'll just create videos on where you can just learn complete data science, like from algebra to statistics to algorithms to deep learning. I will just try to make that video as well. So please let me know how you what's your opinion on these courses. Just go through these courses and just comment down below what's your opinion on these courses. So that's all for this video. I hope this video is helpful, and if you feel so, make sure to like the video and as well as subscribe to the channel. So with that, I will just see you in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.